Bob is murdered in his house. He is found lying in a pool of his own blood in his room. After initial investigation, the police find that the murder weapon to be a knife. The knife has only one set of fingerprints on it, and forensic scientists used gel electrophoresis to compare with the other people in the house. There were 4 people at Bob's house at the time the murder happened, and the police are investigating these 4 suspects. Suspect 1 is Bob's daughter Jill, who says she was in her room studying for an upcoming exam. Suspect 2 is a gardener who says he was outside taking care of the garden. Suspect 3 is the cook who claims she was in the kitchen preparing for lunch. And suspect 4 is Bob's wife, who was taking a shower. Forensics uses DNA fragments that can be found from blood, hair, or fingerprints. Gel electrophoresis is used to find similar alleles between loci on these fragments. The scientists compared 2 VNTR loci to find the murderer. The fingerprints have to be the same at both alleles for the person to have been the murderer. At locus 1, the fingerprint found was not the same as the victim's, which rules out the possibility of a suicide. Suspect 1 has the same fingerprint as the one found on a knife. Suspect 2 does not have the same fingerprint. Suspect 3 also has the same fingerprint and suspect 4 does not. So at locus 1, only suspect 1 and 3 have the same alleles as the fingerprint found. The locus 2 gel electrophoresis is examined next. Again, the victim does not have the same alleles at locus 2 as the fingerprint found on the crime scene. Suspect 1 has the same alleles as well as suspect 4, and suspects 2 and 3 do not. Since suspect 1 is the only one with matching DNA, they had to kill Bob. After further examination, the scientists can confirm that Jill is the daughter of Bob and Barbara, since there is one allele that is in common with both parents.